Hi everyone, this story is called Carrot Gets the Hiccups. One sunny spring afternoon, Dr. Pepper was making the most of his day off by taking a walk by the river. Dr. Pepper liked to keep fit by taking long walks, exploring all four corners of Foodland. Now, who else do we know that likes to walk long distances and lives in Foodland? Yes, of course, it's Cola. We'll see Cola again later on in the story. Meanwhile, back at the river, Dr. Pepper was looking for wildlife when he saw Milk, Cheese and Carrot doing the same thing. Cheese was using an empty jam jar to catch small fish. Carrot was trying to catch a frog, jumping on the riverbank. As for Milk, what do you think he was doing at the river? Practicing his magic tricks, of course. Milk practiced every day. He really enjoyed it, but sometimes his friends mocked him for it. Poor Milk. Dr. Pepper went to say hello. Milk waved to him and carried on with his tricks. Ah, he seems happy enough, thought the doc, and he carried on with his long walk. The others were having fun, looking for wildlife in the water. That was until Carrot began to hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Carrot's hiccups didn't stop there. They carried on all afternoon. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Help! I can't stop hiccuping, said Carrot. After returning all the fish back to the river, Cheese took Carrot back to his house to help him try and get rid of his hiccups. Have you ever seen Cheese's house? It looks like a mousetrap. In his study, Cheese kept a lot of books, one of which was a book of cures for hiccups. Perfect. Here we are, smiled Cheese. First, Cheese tried to scare Carrot in the hope it would frighten away his hiccups. So he hid inside a big cardboard box. Carrot looked all around Cheese's house to find his friend, but he couldn't find him anywhere. Carrot was spooked. Suddenly, Cheese jumped out of the box and yelled, "Surprise!" at the top of his voice. Carrot was so scared he jumped through the study window and landed headfirst in a flower bed. "Me," he said. Cheese rescued Carrot and pulled him out of the flower bed. "Did it work?" he asked. "Did what work?" replied Carrot, who was feeling a little shaken up. "Hiccup!" "Oh, bother." Carrot still had his hiccups. Let's try something else. So Cheese turned to the next page in the book of hiccup cures. "Drink a glass of water upside down between your legs," he said. "Come on, Carrot," encouraged Cheese, and gave him a glass of water. Carrot bent down and tried to drink the water between his legs. Cheese tried not to laugh. Carrot spilt the water all over himself. "This is silly. This doesn't work. Oh, bother." Next, Cheese told Carrot to hold his breath for as long as possible. Carrot took a deep breath and held it in. Soon his face was turning blue. Poor Carrot, this was not going to plan at all. Eventually, Carrot could no longer hold his breath and let it out. "Have the hiccups gone?" asked Cheese. "Hiccup," replied Carrot. Cheese suggested some other cures, including pulling on his tongue and squeezing his nose. But Carrot couldn't do the last one. He didn't have a nose. Ha ha! "This is no good," sighed Cheese. "We've got to see Dr. Pepper. Hopefully he can help put a stop to these hiccups." On the way to the surgery, Cheese and Carrot passed Cola, who was out for a long walk. When Cheese told Cola about Carrot's hiccups, he suggested drinking some hot lemon and honey. Luckily, they were close to Mr. Beef's orchard, where he kept some honeybees, and Cola had some hot lemon in his flask. Cola carefully collected some honey from a nearby hive before mixing it with the hot lemon. "Here, drink this," he said to Carrot. "Yuck," winced Carrot. "That was not nice." Then, hiccup! Oh no! Carrot still had the hiccups. Will they ever go away? At the salt shaker surgery, Dr. Pepper examined Carrot. "How long have you had these hiccups?" he asked. "Well, about 10 o'clock this morning, at the river." "Help! Hiccup! These are getting worse. Hiccup! Hiccup!" "Oh dear," said the doc. "This isn't good. Something must have started them. But what was it?" Then Dr. Pepper stirred and remembered something that Carrot had said. "Did you say they started at the river?" he said. "Yes, hiccup, I did." "Wait here," said the doc. "I'll be right back." The doctor quickly went to Milk's house and knocked on the door. "Hello, Doc," smiled Milk. "What are you doing here?" "Have you been playing magic tricks again and casting spells?" he asked. Yes," came the quiet reply. "Did you give Carrot the hiccups?" he asked. Milk felt embarrassed and made his confession. "I think you need to come with me to the surgery," said Dr. Pepper. Back in the doctor's office, Carrot and Cheese were waiting impatiently. Soon Dr. Pepper returned with Milk, who was carrying his magic wand. First, Milk told Carrot how his teasing had made him feel sad, and Carrot apologised to him, and he said he'd never tease him again. Then Milk reversed the magic spell, and flash, bang, pop, whoosh, hiccup went Dr. Pepper. Ha ha! And that's the end of the story. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again next time.